Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sali Bintari Indra Putri, study number 22, 41, 10, and 83. In this video, I will explain about understanding individual behavior. Individual behavior refers to the way a person act or react in a given situation. In an organizational context, individual behavior is influenced by a variety of factors including first, personality. Unique characteristics that distinguish one individual from other. Personality theories such as the Big Five include dimensions such as extroversion, opens to experience, orderliness, consistent, continuous, and emotional stability. Personality can influence how an individual interacts with coworkers and completed tasks. 2. Motivation. The drive and influences an individual to achieve a particular goal. Motivation theory that are often used in organizational contexts include Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory, state that individuals have hierarchical needs ranging from psychological needs to self-actualization. Herberg's two-factor theory identifies factors that influence job satisfaction and dissatisfaction, namely motivator factor and hygiene factor. Next, 3. Perception. The way an individual understands and interprets information from the surrounding environment. Perception can influence decision and social interaction within an organization. For example, how an employee views feedback from a superior can affect his or her motivation and performance. Next, understanding organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is the study of how individual and group behave in the context of organization. It includes analysis of first organizational structure. How an organization is organized and how that structure affects individual and group behavior. A clear structure can help in the division of tasks and responsibilities, while a structure that is too rigid can hinder innovation. 2. Organizational culture. The values, norms, and practices held by members of an organization. A strong culture can enhance performance and job satisfaction. Organizational culture can be divided into those that support innovation, collaboration, or competition. And 3. Group dynamics. The interaction between group members and how this affects team performance. Group dynamics include aspects such as leadership, communication, and conflict. Understanding group dynamics can help in building effective teams. Next, relationship between individual and organizational behavior. Individual and organizational behavior influence each other. Some important points in this relationship are: first, job satisfaction. Individual satisfaction with their jobs can affect productivity and loyalty to the organization. Satisfied employees tend to be more motivated and committed to the goals of the organization. 2. Communication. Effective communication within an organization can enhance collaboration and reduce conflict. Openness in communication can create an environment that supports innovation and creativity. 3. Organizational change. Individuals in organizations often react differently to change. Understanding individual behavior can help management plan and implement change. For example, resistance to change can be overcome by involving employees in the change process. Next, factor influencing individual behavior in organization. Some factors that influence individual behavior in organization include: first, work environment. Like facility, policies, and organizational culture can influence individual motivation and performance. A positive work environment can increase satisfaction and productivity. 2. Social influence. Social influence like interaction with coworkers and superiors can influence individual behavior, both positively and negatively. Social support from coworkers can increase motivation and performance. 3. Personal experience. Personal experience like background, education, and previous work experience can shape how individuals behave in the workplace. Next, implication for management. Management needs to understand individual and organizational behavior to first improve performance. By understanding individual motivation and needs, management can design programs that improve performance. 2. Manage conflict. Understanding group dynamic and individual behavior can help resolve conflict that arise. And 3. Build a positive culture. Creating a supportive and inclusive work environment can improve employee satisfaction and retention. Implication for management. Management needs to understand individual and organizational behavior to first improve performance. By understanding individual motivation and needs, management can design programs that improve performance. 2. Manage conflict. Understanding group dynamic and individual behavior can help resolve conflict that arise. And 3. Build a positive culture. Creating a supportive and inclusive work environment can improve employee satisfaction and retention. Okay, that's all explanation about understanding individual behavior. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.